In this lesson, we want to explain the text tool. First, after selecting the desired style, here, click and drag on a page to create a text box. Make sure you create a big text box. Now you can write the text you want in the box, for example, tutorial cells. Okay. To change settings, always make sure that we select the box. Okay, as you can see, just like the previous lesson, you can resize the box by click and drag on these points, but notice that the text inside will not be resized. You have to change font size to change the size of the text. You can rotate it, okay, by holding shift. You can quantizing. Okay, go back to text setting. In the field section, you can change the color of the text. In outline section, color of the text border. If you want to remove the text border outline, you can click on this checkerboard box here to remove the outline. Okay, and you can change the shadow of the text. Its settings are exactly as the same as the previous lessons. We will not repeat it again. As you can see, you can change all setting here. That's very easy. In a font, you can change your desired font, and here you can change the font size. In a line width, you can change the text border thickness. Okay. In advanced section, settings are related to paragraph. We select this paragraph. We can change the setting. In alignment section, you can specify how the paragraph should be placed in the box. As you can see, left, middle, right, top, bottom. Can change it. And padding is also used to determine the distance of the paragraph from the box border. 0, it's exactly at the border, and you can change the number. And okay, after selecting the setting, you can click on this. You can add this custom text to your list by clicking on a plus sign so that can use it later. And this is your custom text. Or you can hit the star to move this custom text to favorite. Okay, that's text tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.